Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation. The first is x plus y equal to 4. So if x plus y has to be equal to 4, if x is 2, definitely you'll agree y has to be 2 because x plus y is 4. If you take x as 0, you need to take y as 4 because x plus y should be equal to 4. If you take x as 1, can you guess what will be your y? You probably guess by now. It has to be 3 because x plus y equal to 4. And if you take y as 0, what will be x? 4 because x plus y equal to 4. Let's go ahead and plot these points. 2, 2. 2, 2 would be here. Then 0, 4. 0, x equal to 0 will be on the y-axis. So 0, 4 would be here. 1, 3. Here, 1, 3. 4, 0. Y is 0. So it will be on the x-axis. So these are your points. You need to write these points. This is 4, 0. Here is 2, 2. This is 1, 3. And here is 0, 4. So this is the graph of x plus y equal to 4. You also have to write the scale for every graph. On the x-axis, 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Y-axis, 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. This is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Now we'll draw the graph of x minus y equal to 2. So let's take our points. We make our table here, x, y. We need to draw at least 3 points. So you take this table and you find the solutions. Suppose we have x equal to 1. What will your y be? You can substitute and find out. X minus y equal to 2. If x is 1, minus y equal to 2. So minus y equal to 2 minus 1 minus y equal to 1. So y equal to minus 1. So if x equal to 1, your y is minus 1. Now let's take x equal to 0. Let's see what is our y. So x minus y equal to 0 is a line that you need to draw. Now you took x equal to 0. So minus y equal to 2 minus y equal to 2. So y equal to minus 2. So this is minus 2. We'll take y equal to 0. So we have x minus y equal to 2. X we don't know. Y we have taken 0 equal to 2. So x equal to 2. So now we have these 3 points and let's go ahead and plot them. First point that we're going to plot is x 1 y minus 1. And that point would be here. Then the next point 0 minus 2. Now x equal to 0. So it is on the y-axis. Y-axis it would be here 0 minus 2. So let's write that point here. 0 minus 2. Here we had taken the point 1 minus 1. Now next point is 2. Here we have to take this point 2, 0, x2, y0. Y0 means it must be on the x-axis. And here will be a point 2, 0. And when you join up, this is the line you will get. And this line is x minus y equal to 2. Make sure you write your scale. X-axis, you took 1 centimeter, 1 unit. Y-axis, 1 centimeter, 1 unit. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Next we'll draw the graph y equal to 3x. So we make our table x and y. We just require 3 points. So, and our equation is y equal to 3x. So first I'll put x equal to 1. So we know y equal to 3x. So y equal to 3 into 1. So y equal to 3. So there will be 3 here. Next we'll put, say, x equal to 2. So again y equal to 3x, and for x I'll put 2. So the y will now be 6. Next we'll put x equal to 3. So y equal to 3x. So y equal to 3 into 3, and y equal to 9. Many of these points may not fit in this graph. So for now I just take x equal to 0. So y equal to 3x. If x is 0, it becomes 0. So y equal to 0. So I will take, so instead of writing 3 and 9, which are very large numbers, not that they are wrong, I will put 0 and 3 here. So okay, this out. Now here also 2 and 6 may be a little big number. So instead of 2, I'm going to take minus 1. So y equal to 3x, y equal to 3. For x I took minus 1, and I got minus 3. So the 6 I need to erase, and I will put now minus 3. Go ahead and plot the point. The first point is 1, 3. 1, 3 will be here. Minus 1, minus 3. So x is minus 1 and y is minus 3. Here I definitely made a huge mistake. Look at this, number is wrong, right? So we do y equal to 3x. So when 3 into 0 is 0, it's not 3. I made a mistake there. So this would be, point would be 0. So 0, 0 would come here. So I got my 3 points. This point was 1, 3. Here was 0, 0. And this point was minus 1, 3. And I will join them. So on joining, we get this line. And this line is y equal to 3x. It passes through the origin. Next we draw the graph of 3 equal to 2x plus y. So we make our, this is our x and y. So here we need to draw 3 equal to 2x plus y. So y will be equal to 3 minus 2x. I take the 2x on the side. So the first, I will take x equal to 1. If I take x equal to 1, what will I get? 2 into 1, which is equal to y. That is 3 minus 2 equal to y. So y will also be 1. So x1, y1. Now I'll take x equal to, say, 0. So my equation is 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to 2 into 0 plus y. 3 equal to 0 plus y. Y equal to 3. So y equal to 3. 0, 3 is the next point. Next, for the change, I will take x equal to minus 1. So 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to 2, x is minus 1 plus y. So 3 equal to minus 2 plus y. 5 equal to y. So when I take minus 1, I here get 5. And I'll take yet another one. Say I'll take x equal to 2. So 3 equal to 2x plus y. So 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to 4 plus y. So y equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1 equal to y. So let's plot the first point is 1, 1. So here will be 1, 1. I'll write that out, 1, 1. Then 0, 3. X equal to 0, y equal to 3 will be on the y-axis. So it will be here. So this point will be 0, 3, minus 1, 5. So x is minus 1 and y is 5. That's way beyond. It's not fitting in this graph. So I'll take the next one, 2 minus 1. X is 2 and y is minus 1. So it is going to be somewhere here. I will join these points. So that will be 2 minus 1. So here's a graph of 3 equal to 2x plus y. All the points on this graph will obey this equation. If you put value of x and y, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. And you can write the scale. So here's your scale. This is your x-axis and this is the y-axis. Give the equations of two lines passing through 2 and 14. So you have 2 and 14. I have to give the equations of two lines. So this is how you do it. This is your x and this is your y, right? So just find what is your x plus y. X plus y will be 2 plus 14 and that is 16. So x plus y equal to 16 is one equation. Then if you want to write another equation, you know this is x and this is y. Find out what is x minus y. X minus y is 2 minus 14 and that is minus 12. So right here minus x minus y is minus 12. So this is the other equation. You could also, if you observe this very carefully, this is 2 and 14. This is x and this is y. If you notice, y is 7 times x because 7 into 2 is 14. So this could also be a third equation. You can make infinite such equations. Like I would just make another one, say 2x plus y if I want to make. So 2, you know your x is 2, your y is 14. So that will be 4 plus 14 and that would be 18. So 2x plus y equal to 18 will be another equation that will pass through this point. Now this point here is a single point, 2, 14. And you know through a point how many lines can you draw? You can draw infinite lines through a point. And you will realize that you can write infinite equations passing to the point 2 and 14. What is important is when you put the value of x and y, x equal to 2 and y equal to 14, the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. So I have 3, 4 lies on the graph 3y equal to ax plus 7. So I can say that 3, 4 is solution of 3y equal to ax plus 7. So if I take x equal to 3, this is my x and this is my y, and y equal to 4, and in this equation I will substitute it 3. Remember my y was 4, x is 3 equal to 7. So 12 equal to 3a plus 7. So 12 minus 7 equal to 3a. So 5 equal to 3a, a equal to 5 over 3. Every point that lies on this line, to make you understand even better, like this is the line, suppose this was the line here, and you name this line as 3y equal to ax plus 7. This point 3, 4 lies on this line here. So if it lies on this line, it is the solution of that line. It will satisfy that equation. The taxi fare in the city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 8. And for the subsequent distance, it is 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance as x and the total fare is y, write a linear equation and draw its graph. So this taxi fare has got two parts. One part is of the first kilometer, which is fixed, and that is always 8. And the second part is of the subsequent kilometers, the following kilometers, and that is at a rate of rupees 5 per kilometer. So in the city, if you come to the city and now you are going to travel, say 5 kilometers, you're traveling 5 kilometers. For the first kilometer, you are going to pay 8 rupees. Now, how many kilometers are left? You have paid for, out of the 5, 1 kilometer you have paid. So you're left with 4 kilometers. Now, the 4 kilometers you are going to pay at 5 rupees each. So that will be 20. So the total fare you're going to pay is 8 plus 20, which is 28. Now, if you were to travel, say, 10 kilometer, first kilometer fixed, and that is 8 rupees. So out of the 10, you have paid him the first kilometer 8. How many kilometers are left now? You are left with 9 kilometers. So 9 kilometers, you will pay it at a rate of 5 rupees each. And this would now be 45. So your total fare would be 8 plus 45, which would be 53 rupees. Let's take another number. Now say you're traveling 21 kilometer. So the first kilometer you're going to pay 8 rupees. Now how many kilometers are you left with? Out of 21 kilometers, 1 you have already paid. So now you're left with 20. This 20 you pay at 5 rupees per kilometer. So here you're paying 100. So now the amount will be 8 plus 100. And this would be 108. So now at random, if I take, say, you're traveling X kilometer. So for the first kilometer, you would have paid 8. Now how many kilometers are left to be paid? Remember, out of the X kilometer, 1 is already paid. So what is left is X minus 1 into 5. So this would be your fare. So this fare, which is Y, they said the total fare has to be taken as Y. So the total fare Y for X kilometers would be 8 plus 5 into the remaining kilometers, X minus 1. This is for X kilometer. So Y equal to 8 plus 5X minus 5. So Y equal to 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 5X. This is your equation. If you're writing your statement, you'll say let the number of, or let the distance be equal to X kilometer. For first kilometer, the price is rupees 8. Now for the subsequent kilometers, how many are left? Subsequent kilometers, 1 is already paid, so X minus 1. The price would be X minus 1 into 5 because the rate is 5. So the total fare Y should be for the first kilometer plus the subsequent kilometer, that is X minus 1. You open the bracket, you get 3 plus 5X. Now we have to go ahead and plot this graph. So here is the equation. Let us take X equal to, say, 0. So your Y is 5X plus 3. Your Y will be 5 into 0 plus 3, and Y will be 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. And if you recollect, for the first kilometer, for 0 kilometers it will be now. No, this is again, I made a mistake here. So it will be 0. 5 into 0 is 0. And this would be now 3. So this is wrong. So this would be now 3. Now for the first kilometer, we know Y equal to 5X plus 3. So Y equal to 5, 1 kilometer plus 3. So Y is 5 into 1 is 5 plus 3. Y equal to 8. So for the first kilometer is 8 rupees. So we just take these 2 points and we'll plot. So first is 0, 3. So 0, 3. So x0, y3 will be on the y-axis. So it will be somewhere here between 2 and 4. Here will be 0, 3. Then 1 and 8. 1 and 8 would be here. So here's a graph, and this graph is y equal to 5x plus 3. Go ahead and write your scale. And if you remember, on the x-axis this was a kilometer and this was the fare. So you got to write here this is distance or kilometer on the x-axis, and on this axis is the fare.